Nkechi, you have a psychology S01, so focus. Focus. God.
Did you see that guy's face? It's a good night. Hey, madam. What are you doing?
Why? Is she steady?
Psychology.
I beg. Give my assignment, I beg.
See you. Why don't you go scoopers?
So this is the reason why you wouldn't follow us to Eddie's party, eh?
Let me ask him.
First class students. No, you won't carry first for school. Rubbish. I bet more they go, Jerry.
What's that?
Woo! It's a good night.
No? They do the riddle.
First class.
I beg, where they go? Tire.
Of Umoja.
Well, I marked your papers. And Adam, topped as usual. Hail him. Young man, tell me, are you not an old man inhabiting this body?
Maybe.
Maybe. I see. His papers are good to read. The rest of you learn from him. If there are no more questions, my wife Fufu is waiting.
Chop some.
Hi.
Please, when are we turning into this essay assignment?
Within a week. And I want a 10-pager. Yes. Yes. And I must also urge you to put in your all, because this forms 25% of your semester's work. If there are no more questions, then I bid you farewell. Have a great weekend, all of you.
So I know you have a full itinerary this weekend, but I need you to block 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. for me.
Sure.
For the assignment.
Can I tag along with you and Adams when you go to work on the essay, please? Okay, I overheard your conversations with Adams, and I really need your help. I'm failing this course already, Rama. Please now, let me join you guys. Okay, I'll bring refreshments. I promise.
Okay, fine. Come to my room later today at 5:45.
Okay. Thank you.
There is something about my crazy. It's blind. It's not rational. It rages. It doesn't stop. It doesn't subside. It doesn't quit. It's immediate.
Come. Now food you dey chop, so I beg give me my popcorn. Eh?
Wait.
Now you all are like saying na food.
You know, ask now if you ask, I forgive you now. Hey, madam, you don't come back.
Nkechi, don't kill yourself because of Max.
Babe, I tire herself. Small school, I won't keep person.
She really needs to pass now. I understand your struggle, Nkechi. So how far? Any progress?
Small, oh, small.
No worry.
Babe, you know that Irama girl now? The girl is smart too. She and this guy in my class, what's his name again? Adams. They are really helping me more than my weeks in class have.
That's good.
Irama. Come. You better be careful with that girl. You know, say she be. What's that?
A popcorn from Mendy's Palace. Just crossroad goodbye, Anna.
So much adrenaline that I didn't know I slammed my body.
Wow. It's actually very nice, you know.
So this one is for me, ba?
Come on.
I don't say she no go let you carry her.
Hold the tea, don't they observe. Come, that's Adam guy we mentioned, Nana. In fine.
Ijeoma.
What's your talk?
Two like boys.
See, I didn't notice. Besides, my eyes were in my books.
No, leave
Baby, too like boys, so I think say you don't change. Babe, what's the title of the movie, I think?
Criminal.
Get out! Go. I'll call you.
Come. So you seriously no notice that guy? We don't even wait to 10 butterfly, even not they fly. Yo, no carry belle call this ass so.
I was seeing all of this and I asked, where does he do his research from? Where does he get his facts?
Well, only him can tell us. So this is...
Forgive my academy.
I mean, not to worry. We haven't been here for long, so let's just get to it now that you're here.
Okay. But have you read anything on the topic though? So we just started, but we've been working on this. Yeah.
So like you were saying,
steady. Ijeoma, let's get out of here. Yeah, I can see that. You know what? Let's wait for a while, okay?
I would have done without you guys. You guys have really helped me. Thank you.
Stop it. I am glad we could help. I hope you know this doesn't have to end here. You can join us for other courses as well. Adam here is very helpful.
Thank you very much, Adam.
You don't have to thank me. I'm just glad I could help.
Okay.
Now I know that if I don't get any refreshments, my brain is going to go to sleep.
I even brought refreshments.
Oh, that's really thoughtful of you. Wow. I guess you came prepared. And yes. Oh, good. And then this goes around so we can start going already.
Yeah.
Well, of course I'm done. This is good. So.
I love it.
Hey lady, you are such a beauty.
Okay, fine. I'll tell her. Okay, I hear. Whatever.
What was that?
That's a Rama girl, eh? I'm glad she's helping Nkechi with her studies. But do I have to like her as well? What is this? Now by force to like person.
Well, she's also your friend.
Which friend?
Hi, girls.
Where is your phone?
In my bag. Why?
Keep it on hand. The Rama girl will be calling me up and down. We are not like that, oh.
What did she say?
Anyway, she just wanted you to know she has been called away or something like that. I'm not too sure.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Come, see, I go stone you this phone.
For it, Naka.
Oh, she even tested me.
Hey, Nkechi. That's your Adam guy. You didn't say whether he was nice or he's cute or something like that.
Busy body, must you know everything? Huh?
Well, I guess it's okay, but oops, I don't care. All I care about is for my grades to shoot up, and that's it.
Sabio, you don't care, me I care. Wait.
Talk of the devil, there he is. So, babes, I'll be right back.
The guy no bad though.
Makes sense, so see correct, but besides it's set. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah? So nobody will not like her.
I just said that picture they read. But actually, the boy makes sense.
What you will say, no like her.
Hey. Alright, bye.
So nobody will not like person with this one. What was that all about?
Must you know everything? Yes, so we must know.
See this caterpillar. Come, you don't become a butterfly until the right time. Okay? That's your guy. Be very careful.
Tell her.
Yes, ma'am. But it's all about schoolwork, though.
Come. I see. No problem, oh. Schoolwork. Caterpillar Nkechi. Be on guard, oh. That guy why they see so, eh?
Yes, Auntie,
He's too good to be true. Trust me. Too good to be true. You know, I know my kind of people. Package boy.
I beg you, don't do it. Be careful.
I beg, give me sweet man.
Why did you drink that now? Wait.
You just think you have your fire, girl.
I never see anybody wait like you. And maybe got nobody find like you.
I think, yeah, this is more like this other thing I wanted to talk about.
I think I'm done with the essay. Please
Already?
go through it for me.
Okay. Yeah, this is good. I mean, yeah, you've done a great job. It's good to go.
Adam, thank you so much. I didn't know what I would have done without you. You've really helped me a lot. Thank you.
Oh, I mean, it's fine. It's nothing really. I mean, I'm just glad that I could help when you actually needed one. So.
Can I use your washroom?
Sure thing.
Okay, I'll be there.
All right. Help yourself.
Adam, you're here?
I live here. I've been waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be leaving right now because...
Are you leaving like that? Without even giving me a hug? Come on. Huh?
Adam, stop it!
Come
what
on.
Are you doing?
Hey. Don't look so scared. Come and thank me properly.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Adam, just stop! Stop! Adam! No! What's all this now? Ow, my back! Get up! Stop it now! What's the meaning of this room? Adam!
Why you say what's up? What do you do for you? I don't tell you to come back tomorrow.
Listen, Adam, I've been telling you, this thing must stop.
Or waiting. What you go do? As I come up for that.
Make you do them again, you go find out. What do wrong you?
Nkechi! What happened? Eh? What happened? Adam! What did Adam do? It's okay. It's okay. It's fine.
Adam. This guy, Adam.
That one a dead meat. Ty. So he put his hands on you without your permission.
See, I don't want to say I told you so. I don't want to say it. But anyway, it's not your fault, okay? But that ran my girl. I will personally deal with that girl.
It's not her fault. I asked for help. She only did me a favor.
Favor. That's what you call it. Look, let me tell you, that guy, if he will be bold enough to try that with you, that means that is not his first time.
And I'm very sure that his roommate will know about it, but won't want to tell anybody because of some bro code or whatever they call it. You should report him.
Nobody will believe me. You know everyone likes him.
And so? But he can't go scot-free now. He has to pay for the trauma he has put you through, Nkechi.
Babes. This whole thing will end up with he said, she said, and all that. By the end of the day, she will be stigmatized.
See, babe, I don't want to do anything about this, okay? I just want to forget this thing and erase it out from my memory.
Seriously? Hey.
Please, you guys should promise me you won't do anything about this. Adaeze. Ijeoma.
We won't do anything. See, that guy, they will kill him.
My dear, it's okay, alright? Everything will be fine, okay? Sorry, it's fine. Cheer up, baby, cheer up. Okay? Everything will be fine.
House of Umoja.